Hey, you know why most people think they're bad at math? It's not because they lack talent. It's because they've been using the wrong approach from day one. The biggest mistake is treating math like a memory game. You memorize formulas, copy solutions, and just pray that similar questions show up on the test. It feels like you're making progress, but it's totally fake. The moment a problem changes even slightly, everything just collapses. Math isn't about speed or some genius gene. It's about understanding relationships. If you can't explain why a formula works, you're just borrowing that knowledge. You don't actually own it. People also struggle because they skip the thinking phase. They jump right into calculations without asking what the problem truly wants. This leads to work that looks right, but is built on the wrong logic. So here's a rule that fixes this. Before you write anything, say out loud what's given, what's being asked, and which definitions apply. This simple step forces you to get clear and stops the random guessing. If math has always felt hard, it's not you. You were just never taught how to think mathematically. Tomorrow, we're going to fix the one habit that wastes the most time for the least results. Subscribe so you don't miss it.